Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will be showing you 3 of the easiest ways you can remove objects or people from photos in Photoshop. So we're just going to be showing you how you can use the selection tool to quickly remove an object from a photo. So in this scenario, we're going to be using the quick selection tool to remove the dog. So we're going to head over to the quick selection tool from our tool menu. Ensure the plus is selected, and we're just going to simply draw a selection on the dog, and it will automatically just pick up the dog from the background. So we're just going to ensure that we've included every aspect of the dog, so all its main features are part of the selection, and we haven't gone over the background. If we have gone over the background, it's nothing to worry about. We can use the minus, and then that will remove the edges, so it will make that not part of the selection anymore, which is really helpful. Once we're happy with the selection, if we select and mask from the top, and then this will preview how it will look over a different view. So in this scenario, we've got it over a red background. We can also change it so it's a different background. So we could do it so it's on a transparent background. We've got black and white, so we'll stick with overlay for the tutorial. And what we can do from here also, we can make it smoother, our selection, so the edges will become a lot smoother, or we can shift in the edge or shift out the edges. So say if we did have a background and it was really fuzzy around the edges, it was picking up some of the background, we could shift the edges out so it's a cleaner selection. Once we're happy, we're just going to head over to the bottom and select OK. And then we're going to create a new layer mask, and that will extract the dog out of the background. And from there, what we're going to do is we're just going to test how it looks. So we're just going to grab another background so we can just see how it looks in context with another lifestyle image behind the dog. So then drag that layer below. And there you go, you can see our selection looks really good. We'll be showing you how you can use the Magic Eraser tool to remove the background from this model image within Photoshop. So we want to firstly start by selecting our layer of our model, and we're going to create a new layer mask. And the reason why we're creating a new layer mask is that we want to work non-destructively within Photoshop. So if we ever want to revert back our changes that we've made to that layer, we can always do so. So once we've done that, we're going to select our layer, and then we're going to head over to the eraser tool options that we have available, and we want to select Magic Eraser. And all we're going to simply do is change the tolerance to become 32, and we're going to change the opacity to be 100%, and we're simply just going to select the grey part of the background, and that will remove the background. And if we remove the layer background behind our model image, we can see the selection. So it's actually done like a really good job of cutting out the background. We'll be showing you how you can use the object selection tool within Photoshop to remove an object or a person from a background using Photoshop. So firstly, we want to head over to our tool menu bar, and we're simply going to look for our object selection tool. Select the object selection, and we're just simply going to hover over the aspect of the background that we want to remove. So if you highlight over the woman, the model, you can see that that will be our selection. Over the basketball board, that would be another selection. So we're just going to remove the model and select left click, and it will show our selection of what will be removed. Once we're happy with it, we're going to select a layer mask, and that will be removed from the background. We're just going to drag in another background so we can just see how it will look in context with another image behind the model. So we're just going to scale up this nice city image and drag it behind our model. We're just going to scale down our model a little bit. And you can see that it's actually a really good selection that it's made. So that's a nice, fast way you can quickly remove an object or a person from an image within Photoshop.